weekly NOAA Weather Radio test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn you of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted on every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide you the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings and watches affecting the following transmitters. For your NOAA Weather Radio, W